Hello, I'm Dr. Varun Kumar, cardiologist and medical director at Harnett Health in Dunn and Lillington, North Carolina, and cardiologist at Harnett Heart and Vascular Center and Fayetteville Heart Center. We have been seeing surge in COVID cases again. This time, even the young people are contracting severe infection, and I have seen many deaths. And unfortunately, almost all of them are unvaccinated. Even vaccinated people can still get infected, but they often do not need hospitalizations or get critical. Many are still not willing to get vaccinated. It is still their choice, but I hope they make an informed decision than follow the crowd. I've had many patients ask me if it is safe for them to get the shot and how it works. Many went on to get the shots after understanding how the vaccine actually works. Here I will demonstrate the vaccination process. So this is the coronavirus. As you can see, it has few spikes on it, and we call it spike proteins. So these are basically hands and legs of the virus, which help it to attach to the human cells and gain entrance and thereby destroy the cell and cause more damage to the lungs too. So the virus also has a genetic material, uh, and a small segment of this genetic material is what codes for the spike protein, or it has a blueprint to prepare the spike proteins. And this small genetic material is what uh, is taken or injected into us through the vaccine. And once this genetic segment is within our body, it reaches the cell, and the cell uh, recognizes or reads this blueprint and produces spike proteins, and then release these spike proteins into the bloodstream. And within the bloodstream, there are a few cells which are defending cells which recognize these proteins as foreign proteins and produce some antibodies which, which can neutralize these spike proteins. So eventually, over the next few weeks, the body produces more and more antibodies. And in case if we are infected by the coronavirus, these antibodies which are circulating within our system recognizes these spike proteins and basically attack them and neutralize the entire coronavirus altogether. So now we know that the actual coronavirus is not injected into us. These vaccines are engineered in a much different way than mumps, measles, or flu vaccine, as they all contain weakened or inactivated virus. So it is very unlikely to contract virus from COVID shot. It takes approximately 3 weeks for our body to develop antibodies, and booster dose helps in this. While the antibodies are still being formed, it is still possible to get infected from others. In other words, can still get infected the day after getting the shot. So wearing a mask is still recommended. Regarding the side effects of the vaccine, it can cause muscle soreness, low-grade fever, which is absolutely nothing compared to actual COVID infection. It is safe for everyone, including cardiac patients. Recently, there have been few reports of myocarditis and pericarditis, which is basically inflammation in and around the heart after getting vaccine. Again, this is occurring in less than 1% of the people, and even those who got myocarditis or pericarditis only needed to be observed for a couple of days, and there were zero deaths. Though these side effects are annoying, they're any day better than death from COVID. Another common question people have is that the vaccine was approved by FDA in a hurry when it actually takes years to study and approve any medication or vaccine, so it may not be safe. Well, it takes so long to study and approve because it takes long time to recruit thousands of subjects for trials. But here, vaccine has been given to millions since late 2020, and now we have evidence from millions that it has not caused any severe illness or reactions. And also, the vaccine does not stay in body for long. That is why we are hearing in news about the need for third shot. I again strongly recommend to get vaccinated to protect yourself, your family, and people around you. Thank you.